ahead and look at finding the area of parallelogram. So this shape right here is a parallelogram. So it kind of looks like a rectangle that we've just kind of shifted a little bit. So the formula for this, and this will be on your formula sheet on the exam, is area equals base times height. So what we need to do is identify our base and our height. So here's our base, and here's our height. So that makes it pretty simple. So we're going to have area equals our base, which is 4, times our height of 1.5, which would give us 6 yards squared. So let's look at another one. So we have our base and our height. So we have area equals our base of 5.9 times a height of 4, which should give us 23.6 inches squared. So let's look at this one. So we have base and then our height. So this would be area equals our base of 6 times our height of 5, which gives us 30 meters squared. So this is pretty easy. We're just going ahead and we are working through this formula. So this formula up here is going to be what we're going to use every time for a parallelogram. So we just have to make sure we know how to identify a parallelogram. And again, this looks like a square or a rectangle that has just been kind of tipped and slanted to the side. So go ahead and try these next couple on your own. So these kind of look a little different than what you've been doing before, but it's the same concept and the same formula. So we have our base and our height. Our base and our height are always going to make this 90-degree angle right here. So they're going to kind of make a T. So we have our area equals our base of 6.6 times a height of 3, which gives us 19.8 meters squared. Okay, again with this one, we have our base and our height. So remember, they're going to make kind of a T. So our area equals our base of 15.1 times our height of 7, which will give us an area of 105.7 feet squared. Last one. So we have our base and our height. So area equals our base of 20 times our height of 15.2, which will give us an area of 304 meters squared. And again, I just plugged these into my calculator, working through those formulas. So all of this will just be using a formula over and over. So that'll be the end of parallelograms.